Hey there friends, it's Vanessa from Vanessa Jordan Photography and welcome back to my channel. On this channel I teach you graphic design skills that will help your business grow. Today I will be doing the website challenge. This is something that I came up with and this is where I will be creating a website on 3 different website platforms, Wix, Showit, and Squarespace, to see which one is the best. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are, the start of the website challenge. I know you have probably never heard of it, or there may be a different website challenge out there, I don't know. But this is the one that I came up with. I have heard a lot of different people use a lot of different website platforms to build their website for their business. And I thought, why not try to create the exact same website on 3 different platforms and see which one is the most user-friendly and is able to convey what I want on the website, and which one will be the best that can go from desktop and mobile, because a lot of people do look at websites on their phone. So this is the start of the series and I will be doing it on Wix, Showit, and Squarespace. I've heard a lot of photographers use Showit and I've helped a lot of photographers in their troubleshooting with Showit. So we'll see if I can do it, not really knowing a ton about Showit. If you don't already know, I use Squarespace for my website. I absolutely love Squarespace. This is not sponsored at all. I just love it. And all their templates are super easy to use and are easy to transfer from desktop to mobile. And I've also used Wix. In my early years of my business, I have used Wix. And it was great until it hit a roadblock where I couldn't be adding a lot of the back-end coding that really needed to help my business grow a little more. But that could definitely have changed and I can see if it's different. Not that I'd be changing my website anytime soon because I really do love it a lot, but I want to see what would be the best for certain businesses, and I hope this helps you figure out which website would be the best for you. So I came up with a fictitious business off of one of the branding packages I have already designed, WP Woods. So it's going to be an outdoor wilderness business that takes you on travel adventures and excursions out in the wilderness. So we're going to use that branding and that kind of idea for the business and build these different websites and see how it goes. So this first episode is to set it up. So to start, we'll start with Squarespace because I love them so much. So we're gonna go to Squarespace. And since I already have an account, I am just going to add another website on my account. And to keep the cost down, I'm just gonna do a free version, which for Squarespace, you get 14 days to design it for free until you start having to pay for it. So I am going to use that and not have to pay for a domain or for a subscription. And yeah, we'll just go from there. So what's great about Squarespace, I'm just gonna forever say what's great about Squarespace, even though I've never been sponsored by them. So if I could be sponsored by Squarespace, that'd be great, thanks. So what's great about Squarespace is that they have all these different templates that you can use. So to keep in mind for our website that we're building a website that is gonna take people on excursions and give them a really great, awesome experience in the wilderness, outdoors. So we want something that people will be able to book their experience and pay online. And maybe we'll have an online shop that people can buy merch and different things that relate to our business. So, and we'll probably want a place where we can show this beautiful scenery and pictures and a lot of different things that would be great for our website and things. So let's scroll up and to see the top categories. So I would think that Ours would probably be in travel and lifestyle. So let's do that. And ooh, this one looks really cool. Now I'm getting ideas for my own. my own. I'm just like so biased to really good photography, hence I'm a photographer. But I kind of like this one. But let's just preview the template to see if it would be a good fit. Because I kind of don't like that. Oh, these are for fashion. Okay, this probably wouldn't work with us that well. That's a hotel, but I kind of like this one. This one's kind of cool. Yeah, because then we can plug in our... I love how literally this is my... Yep, okay. So I literally picked my own template. Go figure. But really, I think it could work really well with ours. But just for giggles, let me see if I could find another one that isn't ours. Oh, this is mine, I think. Yes, that was the one I was going to... Okay. Clearly, I've worked a lot on my website for Squarespace, so I know a lot of the templates. So, we're gonna use this one. We're gonna start with it. Yay! These are gonna be long videos, just so you know. Welcome to your new Squarespace site. Yay! Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, so we're gonna edit our site title. Because our business is called WP Woods, we are going to make it so. WP Woods. The great outdoors is within reach. Let's do that. Because some of these templates do have other things that, some of these templates have other things that will appear. So I am just gonna make sure I make a note of the different things. Outdoors is within reach. Perfect. So I'm gonna upload our logo, which I have in here somewhere, wherever that may be. There it is. Hooray! We'll use this one. Hooray! And this may not be as easy for other people, but I'm kind of biased to Squarespace just because it works so well for me. But I'll try to make this as unbiased as possible. So please let me know of any questions down below if I'm going too fast in certain areas. So we'll add these different icons, which will also help with our SEO and people identifying with our website. Not that we would publish these, or not that I'm planning on publishing these, but it will also help keep everyone in the loop of who we are and what we do. So for the sake of ooh, look, it's all up there, it's so pretty. Okay, for the sake of time, and I don't have a lot of time to explore these beautiful, I don't have time to like fly to Oregon and explore these different places. I'm just gonna use a bunch of stock photography just for the sake of showing what it could be. Obviously, if this was my real business, I'd be taking photos, but just so you're aware, I'll be using some stock photography, and I'll make sure to say this is not my own photography. I'll be using stock photography just for the sake of making this as easy as possible. So we're gonna go to home and look at the pages. Okay, wow, they have a lot. Oh my God, they have a lot going on. Oh man, okay. This template has a lot going on, clearly. Okay, but the first thing I'm going to shift around is the color palette, because that is probably the most important. Here we are. Okay, whoa. Yeah, that needs to go away. So I'm gonna pull up our handy dandy, beautiful branding guide for this branding package, which I am also going to cover in a future video on branding guides and how to create your own, so then you can stay in the know-how and not forget your specific numbers for your branding. And it's all in one place, and it's easy to then show other people so they understand what you're looking for your stuff. That's kind of the downside to some of these platforms. You don't always get the exact font. I don't know if it's any different on any of these other platforms, but I know that's something I've struggled with Squarespace. Is not all the fonts are available, but that is something that's a struggle for any website builder, because not all fonts are able to be used on web, because sometimes the updates on certain computers don't read those particular fonts, so it's give and take. All right, so this first color, I think I just type in the number. I'm just gonna type in the number. Okay, that we're gonna do this guy, 28, 3, A23. Woo! There's one. Whoa! And then the text, that's fine. Enable parallel padding. These are all like specific things that if you want to play with to change the text and where it lays. I'm pretty fine with this template, so I think that's fine. Content colors, here we go. Okay, so body text should probably be that really dark green that we did before. Cool. Okay, so that's all there. Now this background color is going to change to be that really dark one. Well, we're gonna do that one. 8, 3. Yay! Right. Oh, we have to change more things. Don't mind me, I will be slowly but surely changing all of these. What is this for again? Menu icon color. Sure. Hooray! Hooray! So now we've changed all of our branding colors. Woo! Not that that took forever in a day. So let's see how our website looks now. So we have our logo up there. It says welcome to Washco Wellness. We're gonna say, edit and say welcome. I'm gonna do welcome to the wilderness. Cool. Welcome to the wilderness, which will change the image later. And then we scroll down and we have upcoming retreats, which will change to be upcoming excursions. Let's see if I can spell that correctly. Oh no. Excursions. Sure. Let's double check if that's actually correct. Google, help me. Is this correct? Is that how you spell excursions? Yes. Haha, I was right. The very few times I'm right. Okay, and then we can edit those. Oh, nice. And it has all green and oh. This is giving me so many ideas for my own website. Like, you have no idea. Spa and bath. Okay. Rest and relax. Cool. Explore nature. Yes. Organic cuisine. Okay. And reserve your adventure. Sweet. Okay. Yay. A good start on Squarespace. Except we want to change this guy. We're going to delete you and we're going to upload our own. And since I have a white version, or I should have a white version, actually not. Was I not a smart? Yes, that was. Somehow. Okay. Let's do the black one. Let's see how that looks. Whoa, that's unnecessarily big. Okay. Let's see if I can reverse that. Will this let me reverse the color? That would be awesome if it did. No, just kidding. I'd have to go in and do that. Okay, so we're gonna make this a little smaller because this is unnecessarily huge. Or no, Perry. Oh, no. No, dang it. No, no, I broke it. Okay. That is like so unnecessarily huge. Why can't I make it smaller? Why don't I know these things? Oh, because it's gonna crop on. That's dumb. Just kidding. Discard changes. Okay, this is our... It's just gonna be obnoxiously huge until I figure that out. Okay. Cool. So we have our website. It's taking a minute to load because it's figuring itself out. Ooh, and if I do that... Hold on. I want to see. I want to explore our website for a minute. Okay. Spawn Wellness, will that jump? Oh, that jumps to a different page. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, and it talks about that stuff. Okay, okay. We don't have a spa, but cool. Cool, cool, cool. And then testimonials about on blog. Connect. Oh, sweet. Cool. Now I want to visit this place. I feel like it's fictitious, but I want to visit it now. Cool. All right. So we built in our beautiful, beautiful branding colors and logos for Squarespace and kind of built it a little bit to where we want it and got our feet wet a little bit. So now let's jump into Wix. So we are going to go out of here. Hopefully that still loads. Yeep. Okay, good. That's still there. All right, cool. Let's go to Wix and we'll create an account and see what we can do there. And I don't know about you guys, I've seen a lot of influencers talk about Wix, which could be great for an influencer, but I think for a business it may not work as well, just because as of right now, I know that there's like Facebook Pixel you can't program in and different other features that could really help you, which Squarespace and I believe Showit does have. So just things to think about. So let's get started. Okay, I want to create a site for a company of, why does that matter? Let's say one because it should be, holy cow. Well, it's a business, but we probably want a blog and have other things on it, but we're just gonna say a business site. And what is this? Okay, we'll say a few websites because I have, in all honesty. Let Wix create, no. I want to do this myself. I am a graphic designer, I do this myself. Okay, so they have their own templates. So let's see what they have. Service and maintenance, real estate, financial law, travel and tourism. That's probably where we want to go. Oh, but that's only hotels. See, I feel like it had more of what we want. But I mean, it is a service. Let's see what that does for us. That one's kind of cool. The vintage car garage, lawn care. Okay, let's see what tourism has to do. Hotels and Airbnb. But, oh, it has the check-in and check-out stuff. But that's not what we want. Did that one have other... Oh, it did have other pages. Okay. I was like, what? There's not only that. Cleaning company. house painters, laundry shop, okay. Car wash, okay. Not what we're looking for. Okay, they have photography. Wow, you really don't have an idea for me. That's cool. Okay. So, okay, I think I'll need to go into a different... I'll probably need to use one of these services ones because technically it is a service. But these all kind of look wah-wah to me. I think the biggest ones that I'm seeing myself is this one, the one for home organizers, or the vintage car garage. I think the vintage car garage could probably have the most for us to not edit as much. Even though I did have to plug in a lot for Squarespace. It was worth it though, because it did look beautiful. So, okay, here we are. Oh my gosh, it gives us intro things. I don't need that. Watch, I'll need it later. Okay, so we're here. Oh yeah, I remember how kind of interesting this was. It's very visual. I'll give it that. It's very visual and it has grid lines here and here, which is really helpful. Oh, and it has those social bars. That's nice. Oh, it tells us services, which will probably change our work. That will probably change about us. Okay. And car. Cool. Okay. And then does that... How do I preview this? Oh, because this says preview. Sure. Does it... Oh, it just jumps down there. Because then if you book online, it's a totally separate page. Oh. Interesting. Okay, well, let's jump in and add all of our content. So, how do I change a lot of things? Okay, so first of all, this is going to change to say WP Woods, and it's going to say Excursion Adventures. That probably doesn't make any sense. Excursion Adventures. Or should we just use our tagline? Yeah, let's use our tagline. I think that's more powerful. The great outdoors is within reach. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that garbage. And we are going to wait. Oh, that's okay. Can I add, okay. Vector, image. Upload my own. Cool. I'm like slowly remembering how this works. Let's upload our media. Let's upload from here. Because it's brand new. Okay. We'll do this. As it's loading and trying to read our PNG. Cool. Add to page. Alright, so we're going to scale that down. Okay, so that's a little bit easier to use to scale stuff down. Okay, let's create a guide that's in the middle of the thing. Okay, whatever. Oh, but I have to change header design. Can I customize it? Can I change the fill color? Yes. Let's add a color. Because the hex color, I'll just do that dark green we've been doing. Because that's cool. That's E. Add. Add. Okay, where did that go? Where, oh, is that the, no. No. Where the heck is the color I did? 2, 8, 3, A, 2, E. Add. Okay, cool. That changed. All right. Like that gave me literally a heart attack. Okay. Cool. I don't know how much of a fan I am of this because, oh, can I adjust it? Oh, I'm gonna center a line. Okay, okay. That doesn't look like center at all. Does it look center, you guys? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So, how do I change? Oh, okay. We're gonna do excursions. And this is gonna be eels, meatballs, book, adventure, done. Yay! Okay, cool. So we're gonna go back to home. Okay, so we add our logo. We'll add pictures later. And, oh, because we have to do everything individually. Can I just change it to a color? How about this? Ooh, that looks nice. That looks nice. Okay, cool, cool. And this one, I'm just gonna change to that same color. Yes. Yes, and we're gonna get rid of that guy because we don't need that. And we're gonna change the footer to be that same color. Everything's just gonna be the same color. The same color. Everything's gonna be green. Woo! And we're gonna change this because I can't. Nope, no. 2019 WP Woods. Cool. Okay, so that was a lot easier to kind of do the base edits of everything. Cool. So Wix is done. Hooray! Okay, so we'll save that. WP Woods. Save and continue. So we'll save that, and cool. We got Wix. Wix is all done for right now. Yeah. And now let's go to Show It. All right, let's go to Show It. To be honest, this is the one I'm most afraid of. Just because I've helped so many photographers and it terrifies me. It terrifies me because it is so... Okay, this one's also a 14-day trial. All right, so we'll be on the same playing field as Squarespace. Cool. All right, so we're gonna plug that in. Yeah, I'm very nervous about how well this is gonna go. Okay. So, oh, so this is specifically photography. That's how it's focused. Good to know, good to know. Okay, so we have wedding, portrait, commercial, fashion, journalism, other photography, coordination. Oh, so this is all for like the wedding industry, potentially. Okay, well, it's a professional service, so let's go with that. We'll call it WP Woods. I'm not gonna put my phone number because why do we need that? We're in. Woo! Launch Show It 5. Okay. Oh my god, I have to log in again? This is already annoying. Why couldn't it just like drop me on the page? Why do I have to like reaffirm myself? Sure, so I can not forget. Okay, cool. So we're in, and they have a bunch of different designs. Okay, let's see which one works best. A lot of these just look like they're for photographers, which obviously Show It is for photographers, now that I realize that. So, live in the moment, you'll never forget. Okay, I'm gonna stop making fun of things. None of these, that looks kind of sad. Okay, this one, okay, let's go with that one. Okay. I'm trying to find something that will actually work. Make it like, oh my god, yes. But what's this? Okay, this is pretty simple. Do I like it? Sure, let's start with this. The one that looks the less like a photographer, even though there is all the photographer image in it. But I am a photographer, but sometimes you need to get away from that. Okay, so, okay, kind of looks similar. Like all these different platforms kind of have a similar workspace. Okay. And to be fair, all these platforms I do have some experience in, but some of these I have more experience than others. So we're gonna figure this out together. Okay. So first we're gonna add all of our branding into it. So hopefully I can figure that out. Cool. Okay. So let's see design settings. Oh, cool. Yes. All right. So this is gonna change. How do I change this? How do I do things? How do I do things? Okay, that's black. Why is that not all black? Okay, and this should be just all white. Okay, cool. So in here, I'll plug in the other ones. We'll go from dark to light. Oh, what do these do? Oh my god, it does things. Yay! Okay. We want a sans serif, which doesn't look like, okay, there's an Arial, but how do I add? Oh yeah, I have to use a Google font, which is kind of annoying. Wow, this is a lot more. Wait, does it have it? Yay! Yay! It has it. It has it. Save. Woo! Wait, where did all that go? Wait, where'd it go? Oh my god. That's so annoying. I thought I selected it. Did I not select it? I guess not. That's annoying. Okay, cool. Okay, where was it? I found it and then I lost it. There it is. Okay. Add Google font. Cool. And save. And go back in here. And go to this. And go to this. And here. Okay, there it is. Why aren't you showing up? Okay, so, what am I doing? Okay, the heading is fine. The subheading should probably change to like Arial or something. Yeah, let's go with Arial. Okay, cool, cool. Paragraph is fine. Title should be the same. Why would it just be the same? Why do you have to like change it to different things? That's kind of irritating. Okay, save that. Okay, cool, cool, that changed. So now all of this should be changed to our style, right? Well, why is some of this still... Why? I thought that would have changed it. No? Okay, cool. Alright, so, well, we'll change this to our name, WP. If I can spell, that would be awesome. And then we are gonna do our tagline, which should not be this. Why it's this, I don't understand. It should be the great outdoors is within reach. Perfect. Okay. Okay. That's a check. Okay. And how to? Okay. So why is that not changing? That's weird. Why? Why? Text style. This should be paragraph. Oh no, this should be subheading. Okay, which should be white. Which should be white. Oh my god. Oh, it's up here. Okay. WP Woods, cool. This line could be a different color. Cool. Okay, scroll to begin. Okay, so now I need to go over here and change this. That is so repetitive. How does no one find that annoying? Whereas both of the other ones we did, everything was seamless, that it reflected on both sides. Wow, this is annoying. Wouldn't you want to just design it once and be done? Maybe that's just me. Okay, how do I get out of this? Okay. So then I did this one separately? Oh my god. Welcome to the great outdoors. Okay, cool. And we're gonna move this up a little bit. Why is the spacing like annoying? See, okay. I feel like people would not, like ordinary people trying to design a website probably would not be able. I mean, I totally could be wrong. They could probably figure this out, but what just happened? No. What was that? What is this? No. What just happened? Okay, that's just gonna stay there because that's okay. Great outdoors is within reach. Okay, I kind of want that to be bigger. Let's do 20. And then this should be probably 24. Welcome to the great outdoors. And then why is all this spacing so weird? I don't understand why the spacing has to be so weird. Oh, that's line spacing. No wonder why I'm like getting really confused. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so for those of you who missed it, I stopped recording and probably all of my rants are gone. But basically I've been really frustrated with making this website thus far because you have to design both the desktop and mobile separately. Whereas on the other platforms that we discovered, they do not operate that way. Everything you just design once and it's just meant to shift, and the designs are meant so they can shift and be made. They'll be able, like the design you make on desktop will automatically shift onto mobile, but it's good to look at it and adjust as needed. Whereas this, you're literally designing for both and you have to repeat things on both. No wonder how it's like, okay. And this is where I go insane. I now understand why this is so difficult. Okay, so where I was going for is line height, which apparently, Okay, I don't need that much line height. Probably that would be good. And then this needs to be less line height. I don't understand why this has so much line height. No, no, go down. Just go down this way. Okay, there we go. All right, now that became real annoying. Okay, so we have that. And we scroll down and that has the blog, that has read more about us. We could probably edit that to be, actually to say who we are, which this font should not be that at all. And it should be 24. Cool. Okay, so they both fixed on both. Well, that's nice. Different ones. Okay. Okay. What's annoying about this is it probably should be heading. And that should be still white. And this should be, actually, let's do 34. Cool. Okay, that looks a little more okay. And this is the welcome section and things. Okay. All right. So we just finished our intro dive into Squarespace Wix and Showit. So we added our branding and our branding colors, tried to replace the names and different things in both of them. And this is kind of where we ended up. We ended up with this Showit site that's still kind of looks like a bridal place, but that's okay. We'll change that in the next video. And then if we go to Squarespace, we have our other one that looks pretty darn cool. That has all this different things that we'll be able to list the different excursions and all the different amenities that they will find along the way in these excursions. So there's a lot of different content that we'll be able to add on this one. And then if we go back to Wix, we'll take a look at our page thus far. Can I look at it? What? Can I look at it? Okay, great. And here we go with our Wix page that we were able to edit a few things, change, oh, that animates, that's cool. Obviously that would kind of be changed. And got to add a lot of green and change a lot of those things. So this is where we are today, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you tune in for next week for another rendition of the website challenge, and we'll be adding more to our website. And make sure you follow me at Vanessa Jordan Photo on Instagram. You can head down to the link in the description to check out the Facebook education group that I have. And until next time, bye guys!